Hi friends, welcome back to my vlog channel. Today I have a really fun day planned. Why do I look orange? It is currently 2:31 on June 7th, a Friday, and Cole and I are gonna go to the fair. I'm really excited. There's a fair local to where I live, and I haven't been to a fair in probably years, so we're going to be going today. It's gonna be me, Cole, and Neil, and then my brother's going with his friends, so I might see them there, I don't know. And then a lot of people from my school I know are going, but yeah, it's 2:30 right now. Cole's gonna be coming to get me between 3 and 3:30, so I'm gonna start getting ready, put an outfit on, put some makeup on, you know, do that stuff. So I thought today would be a fun day to vlog. I'm really excited to go to the fair. Haven't been in a really long time, so I decided to document it. The first thing I'm gonna do is just put some makeup on my face, because if you guys don't know, I ripped out all my eyelash extensions. I love the way that I look with eyelash extensions because it just makes you look like alive and awake without having to put on makeup every day. But what happens is they rip out your natural eyelashes, and they're so expensive and hard to keep up with. It's $60 every 2 weeks to go get a fill, and $120 just to get them on the first time. So it's like way too much money, and now I feel the need to wear makeup because my eyelashes do not exist. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup because I want to be pretty cute. Like I said, he's picking me up between 3 and 3:30. We're not going to the fair until 6 o'clock at night, so we're just gonna hang out at his house a little bit before, and then we're gonna meet Neil at the fair. We always joke about Neil coming on all of our dates, but they're not really dates. It's mostly just like hanging out and having fun, and we want Neil to be there because he's our friend, obviously. So yes, Neil's crashing another date. I love Neil. I haven't seen him in 2 weeks, and I'm so excited to see him. I think I'm just gonna do some makeup now and just put some primers on, but I'm gonna listen to country music because I don't want to bore you guys with me just doing like basic stuff. But I'll get back to you guys once my makeup is done and when I choose an outfit, because I have so much new clothes that I can't wait to wear, and I have to like pick out a comfy, easy, cute outfit. I think I'm just gonna do some concealer, eyebrows, mascara, and call it a day. So I will see you guys in a second. Hi guys, so I finished my makeup and I totally forgot to vlog, but Cole is in my neighborhood. So this is my finished makeup, very glowy and natural. And then I'm just wearing this pink tank top, which is from Forever 21. And then my shorts are from Tilly's. That's just what they look like. So that's my outfit. I also have a pink scrunchie, and I'm wearing my pink Vans, and that's my brother. I'm going to Cole's house, and then we're going to the fair to meet up with Neil. And Chase might be going to the fair also, so you might see him later. Hi, doggy.
And Katie's gonna go on this like really big ride.
No, I don't like rides. They scare me. I think he's here. Hold on. I don't think I'm gonna vlog that much at his house because I don't really know what we're gonna do at his house, but he's leaving for a week after this, so he wanted to hang out with me. And then we're gonna go to the... Oh, why is she licking my leg? Ew! It's because I put lotion on. Got me all slobbery. I don't really know what we're gonna do. Womp, womp, womp. Yeah. Womp, womp, womp.
Woo, Katie, look. Katie.
Explain.
We are at me and my brother's house right now. He is currently...
They don't care about you, they care about me.
I said he is currently under a blanket.
Cole and I have the same exact
They have
ones.
but you can't see the one she has. But she has the same exact one, so that's cool.
I'm at Cole's now. He's a ghost.
Jellyfish.
A jellyfish. Never mind.
I like that one more.
I like it better.
It's a lot better. It's smaller.
Being a
It makes
hog.
me laugh. The way he hits the wheel makes me laugh. Hi vlog, it is now 5:48. Cole and I have been watching cartoons for like an hour, and we're about to go leave to go to the mall, and we're gonna meet Neil. We're gonna meet Neil at 6 o'clock. He's packing his book bag right now. He just changed his clothes because I make him wear nice clothes. Anyone notice this shirt? This is from the Goodwill, the one that I forced him to buy. I'm so excited to go to the fair though, and then we're gonna go to the mall and get food. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be real fun. We made it to the fair. Look, this is the fair. Okay, you're not gonna focus? Rude.
She's not gonna focus.
She's not gonna focus. This is the fair. I'm so excited to go on those spinning strawberries right there.
I ain't going on those things.
Yes, you are.
I'm going in there only if you go on the...
I'm not going on any scary things, Cole.
Like, just
Look,
don't
this is
eat.
what it looks like. We've been here for about like 30 minutes. We met up with Neil. Hi, Neil.
And we're not feeling good at all. Me and Neil went on this really busy ride.
We've been on like 4 or 5 rides already, and I feel sick to my stomach. We're on the Ferris wheel right now. My brother is on that ride. Like, I think he might die.
We're going on that.
My gosh, Cole.
Can we please go on that?
That is so high. We ran on like a bunch of rides, and I feel sick to my stomach. There's a guy staring at me. My stomach really hurts.
Wait, what? Why are we swinging?
Are we going backwards? She thought the view was pretty, but he was prettier. Look, it's so pretty. I love it. This is freaky. Dude, that's so fun.
Dude, that's sick video of that.
Yeah.
I got that. Did you DM me? Did I answer?
Yeah, he did for video.
Really? Oh, you guys are just dude. I'm proud of you guys. What do you do?
So we just ran into like a local YouTuber.
Oh my
by
god,
us.
I can't believe it. I've been watching him all night.
Like we've been watching his videos all day, and he's here. He's right there. We just talked to him for like the longest time. His name's Benny Tez, and he has like 200K on YouTube. So like
196 actually.
196. That's so crazy. Look. Say hi. Hi. This is Sophia. Hi. You're gonna be in my vlog channel video, okay?
I've been waiting for your vlog to come.
Can you say hi? Everybody wave. Hi. Y'all, I've met 2 subscribers today, taking pictures with 2 subscribers and like a girl's little sister. I met 2 moms of the subscribers. I met a famous YouTuber.
You are a famous YouTuber.
Stop, no. It's so weird because he has like 200K, which is like so crazy to me. Like, I was literally watching his videos today with Cole, and like he's here at the mall. What?
I showed him my Snapchat memories. I had a thing that said one day I will film with Balin. And I mean,
crazy.
I freaking filmed with him.
Neil's here eating Chick-fil-A, as well as Cole and I. We just ate Chick-fil-A.
Hey, Cole.
Hello. I'm the cameraman. Take one of them. I'm stuck. Hurry, get over here, Neil. More famous people. This is like a team photo, bro. 3, 2. I just spammed.
That was so many girls. Oh my gosh.
It looked like a baseball team photo.
I just met like so many people. Oh my gosh. Oh!
Someone said hi to me, so I'm happy.
I was in like 3 people's TikToks too.
Really?
Yeah. This day just keeps getting so much better.
Alright, where's Jake Paul? Come on, come out.
I don't even know how to feel.
Yeah. Hey, what's up? What's up?
Oh.
Yes. Like, please. Go ahead. Your picture. Like, you're getting there, Mom.
She looked.
I'm gonna say bye.
Why is this showing my shirt?
I don't know how to feel, Neil. Wait, that rhymed. Oh, like what? That's like 20 people that I just met.
More.
Oh my gosh. Thank you to everybody who took pictures with me and came up to me and said hi to me. Like, I'm starstruck. I am starstruck. I just met another person.
50.
The YouTuber that Cole and I are freaking out over is in this elevator. And we think he's gonna scream something in the middle of here. So we're gonna just stalk him for a little while.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah, say hi.
Hi. Am I gonna be in the vlog?
Yeah, you're gonna be in the vlog. Alexis watches all of my videos. Do you know Benny Tez?
Yeah.
He's right there. I got a picture with him. We think he's gonna do his prank right out here. He has, oh no, he's dipping. We look like creepy stalker fan. He's not here. He left? He just left. Oh
I'm
no.
sad.
I wanted to see him do it. That was
I'm
so
sad.
fun.
I'm sad now.
I have butterflies in my tummy.
I don't feel good. Like, I feel good. Like, way too good.
Why are we flipping out?
I just met Balin and I've been watching him for over a year. So
Neil's shopping. You like that shirt, Neil? Cute. You're gonna be my vlog channel, right?
Will you keep this in?
I'll
Yeah, of
subscribe
course.
if you put this in. Follow my TikTok, Josh the underscore G.
Okay, we got you.
I
love you, bye.
Oh, thank you. Bye. Dude, this is actually kind of good. Look at the. That's so fun. Forever 21 X Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Look at the socks.
For sauce?
Wait, that's actually really cool. I'm so excited to edit this vlog because I get to see like all the people. I just got my pinkity drinkity and I feel really bad because I'm not saving any turtles. I always forget to bring my reusable straws out in public, but I tried, okay? I'm sorry. We're being picked up really soon though. Why are we walking? Hey guys, so I'm back home from the fair and the mall now. The fair was honestly really fun. We went on a bunch of different rides, but after one, we all felt so sick. This one ride was crazy and it spun around and made you go like upside down and flip and sideways, and it was just way too much for any of us to handle. So after we went on that ride, we went on the Ferris wheel and then decided we couldn't do it and we were starving and felt sick, so we went and got food. While we were in the mall, Cole was like, okay, let's go wash our hands. So we went to the bathroom. After we washed our hands, we came out and we saw Benitez, which is Balin Levine or Levine, I don't know how you say his last name. He is like a YouTuber who lives close to where I live, and he has like 190 something thousand subscribers on YouTube. A lot of people from my area know who he is, and he films at the mall that I go to all the time, and it was crazy getting to see him because Cole like is obsessed with him. Cole's been watching his videos for the longest. He's been DMing back and forth with him on Instagram for a really long time, and so Cole meeting him was like a really big thing, and then me meeting him was just awesome and really cool. So now he knows who I am, which is insane. It's just Cole was like, why are you fangirling over him when you have more subscribers than him? And I'm like, I don't know, I just thought it was really cool. Meeting someone that I've watched and looked up to and followed on Instagram for a while and seeing them in person was crazy. Along with meeting Balin, I also met over 50 subscribers of mine. I took pictures with so many people, talked to so many people. A bunch of the people that I vlogged with and took pictures with you guys saw, but everybody who I took pictures with and talked to, thank you for coming up to me. It was so cool to meet y'all. I talked with parents of kids who watched my videos, teenagers, younger girls, older girls. It was crazy. I was in 3 girls TikToks. I took so many pictures, so if you have any pictures from me meeting you, please send them to me on Instagram, DM them to me so I can see them. But yeah guys, this was honestly one of my favorite days I've had in a really long time. This vlog is amazing because it symbolizes me meeting someone that was really cool, and all of y'all for coming up to me. So thank you for coming up to me and taking a picture and talking to me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And I'm still starstruck. Like I said, please don't forget to tag me in those pictures, DM them to me. I want to see them and I want to comment and I want to follow y'all all. So if you saw yourself in this vlog or took a picture with me, let me know. With all that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video on this channel. Peace in the Middle East.